In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage permissions in Zoho CRM for users. Managing permissions is one of the most important parts of running Zoho CRM securely. It helps you control what each user can see and do, and it prevents accidental changes to data they should not manage. In this walkthrough, you will follow the exact flow to create or edit a permission profile, customize access by module, and then assign that profile to the right user. To begin, open Zoho CRM and go to the top right corner of the screen. Click Setup by selecting the gear icon. This is where Zoho CRM gathers all of the administrative settings you need. Take a moment to make sure you are clicking the gear icon in the Zoho CRM interface, not anything else on the page. Once the Setup area opens, look for the Users and Control section. Select Users and Control, and then click Security Control. This menu is specifically for managing how users access CRM features. You should now see the Security Settings area where profiles are managed. Next, within the Security Control area, find the Profiles tab. Click Profiles, and then either click Create New Profile to start from scratch, or select an existing profile to edit if you already have a good starting point. If you are editing an existing profile, it can save time because you can adjust only what needs to change. After you choose to create or edit a profile, you will need to name the profile. Choose a clear name that helps you recognize its purpose later. Then you will be asked to choose a base profile to copy permissions from. Select a base profile that most closely matches the level of access you want, because it will act as the starting point for your new permission settings. When you are ready, click Create to generate the profile page where you can customize permissions. Now you will fine-tune access for each module. As you scroll through the permissions options, you can toggle permissions on or off for View, Create, Edit, and Delete. Take your time here. View controls whether a user can see records. Create controls whether they can add new records. Edit allows them to modify existing information. Delete controls whether they can remove records, which is usually the most sensitive permission. Adjust these toggles based on the role you want the user to have. After you set the basic module permissions, you will adjust Advanced Utilities. Scroll down to the Advanced section and customize access for exporting data, mass emailing, or deleting records. Exporting determines whether users can download information outside of Zoho CRM. Mass emailing controls whether they can send large email campaigns from within the system. Deleting records at the advanced level is an extra safeguard for high-impact actions. Only enable what is necessary for the user's job, and keep access aligned with your organization's policies. When all permissions look correct, save your changes. Click Save at the top right of the profile page. This step is important because it confirms the permissions you configured and it prepares the profile to be assigned to users. With the profile saved, you will now assign it to the correct user. Go back to the Users and Control area, and this time choose Users. In the Users list, select the user you want to update. Click Edit, then assign them the new profile you just created or updated. This links the permission profile to the user, so their access will immediately reflect the settings you configured. After you assign the profile, verify the update is saved, and you can close out of the editing view if needed. If you are managing multiple users, you can repeat the same user assignment process for each one, using the appropriate profile for their responsibilities. And that covers everything you need to know. You have learned how to open the security settings, create or edit a permission profile, toggle module-level permissions, customize advanced utilities, save the profile, and assign it to a user in Zoho CRM.